Welcome to today's episode of Mallorca Wedding Academy, where you will learn how to organize your dream destination wedding, especially in Mallorca. Today, we will talk about the first dance and a wedding party. The first dance is the most cherished traditions of the weddings, but not every couple feel drawn into the first dance, or sometimes they look for something different for this moment to surprise their guests. In this guide, we'll explore the creative alternatives and nice activities to elevate your wedding party in Mallorca, turning it into an unforgettable celebration. My name is Magdalena and I'm a Polish wedding planner in Mallorca, specializing in unique weddings. I was also a bride in September 2024, so I really know how it's like to dream about a perfect wedding. If you are here, you probably imagining your own fairy tale wedding with a stunning view, great food, and this warm, welcoming atmosphere that makes Mallorca such a wonderful place for a destination wedding. You're definitely in a right place. The first dance is the sign that the party starts. If you like to dance and you feel comfortable dancing, you can prepare a nice choreography with your partner. You can do a classic, elegant one, or maybe any modern way. If you do not like dancing and you don't feel very good doing it, I give you some alternatives for the first dance and what you can do instead. Dance with everyone concept. Instead of having a couple doing a first dance, you invite your guests one by one. So the song starts, you are on the dance floor, and then you start to invite your guests one by one to dance with you. In the end of the song, you will have a lot of the guests dancing with you and the party will start. Like that, a lot of your guests will be involved in this nice moment and you don't have to do the first dance like a typical first dance that everybody is watching you. Spotlight dances. Assign a group from your wedding guests, like bridesmaids, parents, children, that will be dancing with the couple in every few seconds and they will feel involved. End of the night with the last dance instead of doing a first dance. Save the magic for the end by having a grand last dance when the evening winds down. This could be a romantic slow dance or lively conga line to gather everyone for a final, joyful moment. Conga line to a dance floor. Begin your reception with a high energy conga line. The couple leads the guests in a playful procession that ends on the dance floor, setting a festive mood from the start. Choreographed group dance. Instead of having a solo dance, you can prepare a choreographed group dance with your bridal party or any selection of the group from your guests. You can prepare it as a surprise or make it an interaction to kick off the celebration. And the last idea, sing a song together. If you like to sing and you are quite good in it, you can do a first song instead of the first dance. You can sing together any special song that you have. It can be also an energetic song, so everybody will stand up and dance with you and sing with you, and the party will start. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to click the subscribe button and stay updated with all the best tips how to organize your dream wedding, especially in Mallorca. unique wedding party activities for your guests and for you as well. It's your wedding. 1. Live performances. Live band is a really great idea because the live band will involve your guests in the party. They will invite them to the dance floor, make like a small choreography, and make this party very intimate and dynamic. You can also consider to have a saxophonist with a DJ or a DJ with electronic drums. 2. Photo opportunities, photo booth and platform. Set up interactive photo booth with props to create lasting memories for your guests while giving them a break from the dance floor. 3. The caricaturists. The people who draw your guests in a fun and humorous way. Later, they receive the pictures as a gift and a memory from your wedding. You can add your wedding logo or any special element to each picture. Glow-in-the-dark elements. If your wedding extends into the night, distribute glow sticks or LED wristbands for a vibrant, interactive dance floor experience. And the last, glitter bar. You can set it up yourself or hire a professional. It's filled with glitter and gems so guests can decorate themselves. All the activities need to be all together: the open bar, the photo booth, and the dance floor. All together. Don't put your photo booth outside and the party inside, or open bar outside while having your party inside, as it will break the party. My advice: remember that you are the most important element of your wedding. If you will be on the dance floor, your guests will dance with you. Dance together all the time and your guests will follow you. How to bring back people? The people will not dance all the time, and it's normal. Sometimes they just want to relax and chat. But later, we of course want to bring them back to the dance floor and continue the party. Here are some tips how to do it. 1. A bouquet toss. You do the bouquet toss in the middle of the dance floor. You need a DJ to say with a microphone to all the people to come to the dance floor for a bouquet toss. And prepare a nice song for this moment, and also a very energetic one just straight after the bouquet toss. 2. Group picture. Using a microphone, we invite everybody for a nice group picture. We need to coordinate it very well with a DJ and photographers so everybody will be ready. After the group picture, everybody will be already on the dance floor, so we play a nice song so everybody will dance. A game, Mister of the Wedding. We prepare a game to choose the best man of the wedding, a Mister of the Wedding. First, you have to choose 5 men who will have some tasks like making a dance, singing a song, or doing anything that you of course will prepare before. And then all together you choose the best one who will be the Mister of the Wedding or a King of the Wedding. The couple behind the DJ booth. It is very easy thing and very nice. We invite the couple to go where the DJ is behind, and they are DJing with the help of the DJ, having fun, and from this moment they have a nice picture and the videos. And of course, while they are DJing, everybody will interact with them and will have really good fun. How to prepare the list for your DJ? Spotify with 30 to 40 top songs, totally top songs that you cannot imagine the wedding party without them. If you have any dance or special song that you sing with your mom or best friends, add it and inform the DJ why the song is so important to you, so he will know when to play it. Say what kind of music you do not like, so you make sure that he will not play that at your wedding. Do not leave it until the end. Prepare all the music a few weeks before and send it to your DJ. My advice: say to the DJ before that only you can request the song during the party. Like that, you will avoid the people asking for the song that sometimes doesn't really match the current vibe. Whether you stick to the tradition or try something new for your first dance and the wedding party, it should reflect your unique vision for your day. Mallorca's luxurious and scenic backdrop provides countless opportunities to make these moments truly extraordinary. For more ideas and tips, follow my channel to find out how to organize your dream destination wedding, especially in Mallorca. I hope this episode was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, write them in the comment. I will answer everyone.